Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circle knitting loom. First, gather your circular loom, a loom hook, and your chosen yarn. We'll start by casting on your first row of stitches, which is the foundation of any project. Then, I'll guide you through the simple knit stitch, the most common technique for creating beautiful, even fabric. Finally, we'll cover how to securely join your yarn to ensure a smooth start to your knitting journey. Now let's dive into the heart of loom knitting, the basic knit stitch. This simple motion is what builds your fabric. You'll wrap your working yarn around the peg just below the loop already on it. Then, with your loom hook, gently lift that bottom loop up and over the newly wrapped yarn and off the peg. This creates a fresh, new stitch, and you'll repeat this process around the loom for each row. Casting on is your project's beginning, and it's quite straightforward. You'll create a slip knot and place it on your first peg. Then, wrap the yarn around each subsequent peg in a clockwise direction, creating a loop on every peg. For finishing, casting off creates a clean edge. You'll knit 2 stitches, then lift the first over the second, repeating this until all stitches are removed from the loom. With your new skills, you can create a variety of wonderful items. Circular looms are perfect for crafting cozy hats, warm scarves, and even small, comforting blankets. Remember to select a yarn weight that matches your loom's peg spacing for the best results. Practicing consistent yarn tension is key to achieving a uniform and professional-looking fabric. Enjoy the satisfying process of bringing your knitted creations to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.